Here's a hard truth most traders don't want to hear in 2025. If you're losing money day trading crypto, it's probably not your strategy. It's the exchange you're using. Bad execution, hidden fees, slippage, frozen withdrawals. These silent killers destroy more traders than bad entries ever will. Today, I'll show you the 3 best crypto exchanges for day trading in 2025, and more importantly, who each one is not for, because choosing the wrong exchange can cost you thousands. Even if your strategy is profitable, most beginners make the same mistake. They search for best crypto exchange, sign up for the first popular name they see, and start day trading immediately. But here's the problem. An exchange that's great for holding Bitcoin long-term can be absolutely terrible for day trading. High fees slowly eat your profits. Slow order execution ruins good entries. Wide spreads hurt you the most during volatility. And weak futures tools limit what you can actually do. In fast-moving markets, these details matter more than your indicators. So before I reveal the top 3, here's exactly how I rank them. For day trading in 2025, I only care about 5 things: trading fees and hidden costs. Order execution speed, especially during volatile moves. Liquidity and slippage. Futures tools and leverage flexibility. And finally, risk management and account safety. Every exchange on this list was tested using real spot and futures trades during high volatility sessions. Let's start with the most underrated option. Number 3 is OKX. OKX doesn't get as much hype as some bigger names, but among professional traders, it's quietly respected. The interface is clean and designed for serious trading. Futures tools are advanced, with clear cross and isolated margin options and flexible order types. And during market stress, OKX remains surprisingly stable. In my testing, OKX handled volatility better than several larger exchanges, however. It's not perfect. If you're completely new to crypto, OKX can feel overwhelming. There's less beginner-friendly education, and availability depends on your country. Still, for disciplined traders who value stability, OKX is a strong choice. But when it comes to pure speed and aggressive fee structures, OKX gets beaten by the next exchange. Number 2 is Bybit. Bybit is a favorite among scalpers and futures-focused traders. And for good reason. Order execution is extremely fast. Fees are competitive, especially for high-frequency trading. And the interface is clearly designed for quick entries and exits. During high-volume sessions, slippage on Bybit stayed. It's consistently low on major pairs. But here's an important warning. Bybit is not ideal if you're a long-term holder. It's built for trading, not parking assets for months. If you prefer buying and forgetting, this may not be the best place for you. However, if your strategy relies on speed, precision, and futures trading, Bybit is one of the strongest platforms in 2025. That said, there is one exchange that still beats Bybit when it comes to liquidity, ecosystem, and overall flexibility. Number 1 is Binance. Yes. It's obvious, but there's a reason. Binance still offers the deepest liquidity in the market. Spreads are consistently low on major pairs like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The futures ecosystem is extremely robust, and traders have access to a wide range of leverage and instruments. For larger position sizes, Binance delivered the most reliable execution in my tests. But let's be honest, Binance is not perfect. Regulatory restrictions vary by country. And for beginners, the platform can feel overwhelming due to the number of features. Still, for experienced day traders, Binance remains the most complete trading environment in 2025. So here's the simplest way to think about it. If you're a cautious beginner and want stability, OKX may be a good starting point. If you're a scalper or a futures-focused trader, Bybit is hard to beat. And if you trade size and want maximum liquidity, Binance is still king. The biggest mistake traders make is trying to use one exchange for everything. Smart traders choose tools based on purpose, not brand names. One final tip. Most people won't tell you, Always test an exchange with small capital first. Check withdrawal speed. Test order execution during peak volatility. And never deposit your full trading capital on day 1. An exchange that looks great on paper can behave very differently when markets move fast. Day trading in 2025 is more competitive than ever. Your edge doesn't just come from strategy. It comes from infrastructure. Choose the right exchange. Manage your risk properly. And you're already ahead of most traders. If this video helped you, hit like so YouTube shows it to more serious traders, and subscribe for more honest, no hype, crypto content. Now tell me in the comments, which exchange are you currently using for day trading? And what's the biggest problem you've faced with it so far?